start with the discussion of again with another example for Newton-Raphson method. Now consider polynomial x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. We will discuss the root of this polynomial by using ENR method. While starting with this method, first substitute here initially f of 0 value in that 0. So it become minus 5. Continue this one till we'll get opposite sign. Now this is negative. When we'll get opposite, we'll stop there. So f of 1 will substitute, then we have this value is minus of 6. F of 2, when we'll substitute, we have again a negative value. And if we'll substitute here f of 3 consecutively, so that becomes 16. So it gets changed from minus to positive sign. First value is negative, second negative, third negative. Now it becomes positive. When it change its sign, we'll stop there. And we claim here root lies between 2 and 3. So this is our interval. So in this interval, our one root lies. Now formula we have for Newton-Raphson. So this is the formula. First approximation, x1 is equals to x0 minus f dash of x0. Again the discussion of x0 occurs here. What value of x0 will substitute here? In the real line, minus 1, this value is nearer to 0 compared to 16. So corresponding to this one, we'll assume x0 is equals to 2. So we can assume x0 is equals to 2 or x0 is equals to 3, but out of that, comparing with these two values, this value is nearer to 0, so x0 will assume to be 2. Substitute in this formula f dash of 2. Now these two values we have, but f dash of 2 we don't have. So in this case, find out first the derivative. F dash of x is equals to 3x square minus 2. So this is the derivative for this polynomial. Now 2 minus f of 2 value already we have. Substitute here f dash of 2, substitute 2 here. So 3 into 2 square minus 2. After that value it is 10. And first approximation is 2.1. So this is our first value x1. Now x2 become x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1. So this is our second approximation. x1 so previous value, for the next approximation we substituted here. Now we required f of 2.1. Substitute 2.1 here, and then it gives the value of f of 2.1. Similarly f dash 2.1, 2.1 square into 3 minus 2. So after this we have the values for x2 is equals to 2.1 minus 0.0610 upon 2, 3. And after the calculation on the calc, this x2 become 2.0946. So this become our second approximation. So calculate this calculation on the calc and then we get second x2 is equals to. Similarly x3, directly now I am putting here values for xn, it becomes x2 minus f of upon f dash of, which is equals to x3. Calculate these values on Calc. So after the calculation, we have this value to be 0.0005 upon 11.1620, and this x3 become 2.0946. Now we'll compare these two values. See here, approximately for 4 decimal places, these two values are same. So we conclude here, hence root is so this is the root of this given polynomial. What root we find? That root is real number, and this is the approximate value of that root. So this is not an exact value, this is the approximate value, because we corrected up to 4 decimal places. So this is one of the root of this given polynomial. So this is discussion of again a Newton-Raphson method. Thank you.